Hi everyone, my name is Kaye, Power BI Community Lead at Microsoft, and I'm here to set the stage for a week of exciting content for the upcoming Microsoft Power Platform Conference in Las Vegas this October. In the lead up to MPPC, we will be showcasing one product for you each week. And this week, we're focusing on my personal favourite, you guessed it, Power BI. For those who are new to Power BI is a unified, scalable platform which works for both self-service and enterprise business intelligence needs. And with Power BI, you can do things like connect to and visualize any data and seamlessly infuse visuals into the apps that you use already every day. Okay, it's Monday, so let's set the stage by talking about the rest of the week, starting with Tuesday. On Tuesday, we'll share a great Power BI demo brought to you by our amazing Power BI product team. On Wednesday, we'll highlight a few key sessions that any Power BI enthusiast or beginner should check out at MPPC. On Thursday, the Partner Director of Product Management for Azure Synapse Analytics and Power BI at Microsoft, the amazing Kim Manus, will be with us to share a few recent developments on Power BI and what's next. And finally, on Friday, I'll be back to review what we've covered together and share a couple of tips, as well as what to look forward to next week. So please stay with us, and we'll meet you in the community.